Welcome. Today I would like to talk about the improved C sharp tuples. So let's get started. If you want to know more about tuples, you can look in the .NET Core or .NET NuGet packages systems.value.tuple. So let's get started here. So basically I have a program here, a static program, so it can be called from a static main and it returns a value and I just print this. So to demonstrate the use of tuples, what I'm going to do is change this to return more than one value. And to do that, it's pretty easy. What you want to do is in the arguments, list the arguments you want to return. So I can just say int first, int second, and change it to like this. So this expects to get two values returned from this method. And let's say you wanted to return those methods. So what I'm going to do is return 1 comma 2. And you can see this is a syntax for a tuple and it works. We would return a first value as 1 and the second as 2. So to consume this, what you can do is initially you just had only one variable. So what you can say here is var first, for example, and then say var second, and it should work because it's expecting two values and they would be assigned to this names first and second, and they don't really have to be this first and second. So let's just change it to A and B so you see that these names don't have to match up. So once you do this, I want to essentially print them so we can see if it is working. So let's do that, and I can print this and save this, and I'm running this in .NET Core, so I can just run this project by calling .NET Run, and here you can see that it printed the values first and second as expected from the tuple. So that's the main use of tuple. Instead of creating a class or a struct object, if you want a method to quickly return some things, you can just do it this way. Another advantage here is that you can ignore certain values. For example, I just didn't want, I don't care about the first value. So what you can do is just have the ignore operator here basically. And now it says it doesn't know what first is. So I'm going to just remove this and see if that works. And let's run that too. So now we expect only the second value to be printed because we're ignoring the first one. And here you can see it printed the second value as 2. So that's pretty much how the tuples work. As you can see, sometimes you do have to include this NuGet package, and I'm including that. And I would add this video on to Gore Associates under C# tuple. And I used to have a video that I did a couple of years ago on tuples. So what I'm going to do is replace this with the better way of including tuples in .NET. Thank you for watching this short screencast and you have a great day.